How to fix generative fill not working in Photoshop. So over here, we have pretty much options you can do to make sure you're enabling the generative fill tool in Photoshop. So make sure you're running the first version as the first thing you're gonna need. So look for version 25.0.x or greater, and you're pretty much safe with the version. But anyways, you can confirm the options are still grayed out. So you can test this. You must have a file open and a raster layer selected. You must also have a selection drawn with the lasso or selection tool around the body or pixels in your image. And if you've done these two things, you still have the options below over here, which is grayed out. So now it's pretty much time to fix this. So give your birth date to Behance. So which is a odd requirement apparently, but you can use the generative fill feature until you've shared some personal identifying information with Adobe Behance Cloud Service. But it's another requirement, but pretty much on how to do this, you're gonna have to see this feature from within the Creative Cloud Apps tab. You can scroll down and click Behance on the lower left. So go to the apps, or basically the Creative Cloud Apps tab, and then in the bottom left you should be able to see Behance directly, or just make sure you have it. So it will take you to this little section over here where you can add your date of birth. So once you do that, it becomes the gatekeeper to a new AI feature. But anyways, you enter your information, you quit Photoshop and relaunch. So for some reason that pretty much enables the generative fill back to be used. This is just one option you have. There are a lot more things you could try, but hopefully this one can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.